Hello my beautiful people, happy 2021. Wish you all of you to be healthy and safe, and all your family as well. Also wish you to have more luck this year and everything will be just okay. But today I decided to open this year with some fun hairstyles to spice up your everyday look. Also I'll show you how to wear these hairstyles with accessories and without, so you can see the difference and tell me which one you like the most. And without trembling, let's get started right into our hair tutorial.
So we'll begin with our ponytail. So we'll make a parting on the side we like, and then want to brush the rest backwards. Now we want to grab our heavy side, and with the rest we want to make a very low ponytail like I'm showing, making sure everything is nice and smooth. And guys, all our hairstyles are super simple. So when our ponytail is ready, we'll grab our heavy side, divide it into two and twist it, creating a raw braid, but make sure to twist it backwards so we don't have any bumps or gaps or anything like that. Then when our raw braid is reaching our ponytail, we want to divide it into two again and twist the strands around the ponytail, hiding the elastic. So I'll show you in a slow motion again how I'm making, so you'll not be confused. Make sure to tie the ends using a clear elastic underneath. Pull a little bit your raw braid and you're done. Now we'll accessorize it, adding my favorite accessories, of course. And we're done. Which one you like more? I'm very curious to know. For the next hairstyle, we want to make a parting if needed. Then we want to grab our hair in a low ponytail, but not very low like I'm showing here, and we want to tie it, but on last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through like I'm showing, like that. Now we want to make an opening through this created ponytail and bring the loop through this opening. Pull a little bit your created loop, creating a bun. So I'll show you in a slow motion again how I'm making it. Pull a little bit your bun. Now with the hair left, we want to tuck it into the elastic, but if you have longer hair, make sure to wrap it around the ponytail. But my hair is not that long, so I decided to bring it through the elastic, and this way I'll hide it like that. Use some hairspray if needed. I love it without and with accessory on as well. I decided to use a bigger accessory here, and I will suggest you to do the same, and we're done. Now for the next hairstyle, we want to grab our hair into a very high ponytail like I'm showing, making sure that our hair is nice and smooth. Make sure to brush it before tying with an elastic. Now we want to divide our ponytail into two equal sections and tie the ends using two clear elastics like I'm showing Then we want to divide one of our ponytails into two, creating a loop, and bring the second one through it like that. And then again we want to make an opening through second ponytail and bring our second section through it. So you want to continue these steps over and over again until reaching the ends. Also, if you want your braid to be longer, make sure to pull a little bit your elastics and continue your braid. Then you want to pull apart a little bit your created braid like that. It's so beautiful looking, right? And it will not fall apart. That's why I decided to use this technique for our bun. Then you want to wrap our hair around the elastic like I'm showing, making sure to hide the ends inside like that. And then using some closed bobby pins, you want to pin it in place. Why closed bobby pins? Because it will hold better in place your bun. This is a very good tip, by the way, so make sure to not open your bobby pins and use more of them, because the bobby pin is grabbing how much hair it can and it will not slide. So I decided also to add some faux fur accessory to my bun. I hope you like this way as well. Tell me, by the way, in comments down below which kind of hairstyles you like the most, and with or without accessories.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. And guys, stay safe and healthy, and all the family as well. Love you. Bye.